thanks for joining me. Today I want to talk to you about my braces and exactly what's going on with this protocol. And the reason I want to share this is because I am a person that when anything goes wrong, I go to food, supplements, lifestyle. I really try to be that health detective, I would say. Kind of like a Charlie's Angel, but with health. And I try to do everything within my power to fix and reverse whatever is going on, give my body what it needs to heal. And unfortunately, I realized that I only have so much power sometimes. And I guess it's actually fortunate, not unfortunate. So what happened was, a few years ago, I started having trouble breathing. But it was kind of weird. It wasn't like I was stuffy or congested in this part of my face. It was more in the back of my head. Very hard to explain, but after seeing several doctors and specialists and holistic people and getting rid of, histamine foods I might be reacting to, and, basically everything else. If you've been on a holistic health journey, you understand what I'm talking about. What ended up happening was I went to the dentist, and they did what's called, he's a holistic he's a holistic dentist, and ended up doing a cone beam x-ray. And in that x-ray, what it revealed was that my airway in the back, not in the front, but my airway was, as a side view, it's supposed to be like straight. Well, mine wasn't straight. It went like this. And my jaw basically was being pulled back, and that was impinging on my airway. And it happened so slow and gradual, which is why my breathing slowly and gradually got worse over a few-year period, and, nothing would work. So that was very enlightening. And what was really enlightening afterwards was that this dentist had seen this before. And it happens when people at a younger age, I was 13 at the time, got 4 teeth pulled when I originally had braces. And they pulled those because they said my mouth was too small for them. Well, what happened in the preceding years was that your mouth kind of changes shape and caves in, and when it did that, it pulled my jaw backwards with it, basically. So that's why the airway was having trouble, because it was, like half open. Well, lucky for me, they had a procedure that they can do, either, young kids do it before braces. Instead of pulling those 4 teeth nowadays, they basically have this growth appliance that they use. And it's kind of like braces, but it's inside the mouth, it's in the roof of the mouth, and it really expands things. So I did that for 5 months and got the growth that was needed, and I really couldn't talk too much during that time. Like, it's a challenge to talk now because there's a wire behind my teeth besides the braces, so it's a little bit of a challenge, but nothing like that part of it was for me. So now, after that growth part and moving things forward back where they originally were, I have braces that are moving things forward and expanding things out. So I had an x-ray done recently, and it showed another cone beam x-ray, and it showed basically that airway was opened up probably 50% from what it was. So it's not quite straight yet, but it is definitely improved from where it was. So I share this with you today because, number one, if you have children and your dentist recommends pulling 4 teeth, please look into biological dentists. That's the word I was trying for, biological. Holistic dentists, and there are other options so that later in life, they don't have some other problem that wasn't anticipated. And really, it's a reminder to me that, we as humans do everything that we can within our power to heal and fix and improve and awaken and enlighten and all those things. And at some point, once we're doing everything that we're supposed to do, help will come to us. we don't just ask for help in the beginning, like, hey, fix this for me. But it's a matter of like taking responsibility. Okay, if something's wrong here, I'm doing something wrong, I can fix it. And what I learned at the end of the day was that I needed help with this. This is something that no matter what I did, I couldn't fix. Food couldn't fix, exercise couldn't fix. Nothing would have fixed this except for this. And I am super blessed and grateful to have found this dentist. And I'll put the link down below for my dentist. He's in Sarasota, Florida. And it's been an amazing process, and I'm just super, super thankful. So I wanted to share that so that you kind of understand why I have braces when I'm over 50 and what an amazing opportunity it is for me to heal my body. Thank you.